Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Position yourself 2 to 3 meters away with an unobstructed view and align feet for balance. Begin by setting a secure wand grip. Keep it firm yet relaxed so your wrist can flick without tension. Visualize the push vector and the landing spot. This tells your muscles how hard to push. Once done, inhale, focus on intent, and prepare to cast. Make sure the target center is framed in your mind. That alignment controls accuracy and prevents you execute the core action by syncing a short, controlled wrist flick with the spoken word. Aim for a half to 1 second fluid motion. Too long and you add spin, too short and you underpower the push. Say Depulso with clarity, stressing the second syllable so intent and sound align. Once done, let the wand point toward the target center through the motion. That steadies trajectory. If the enemy rotates, reduce wrist torque next time and lengthen the flick for a straighter path. You finish with a deliberate follow-through. Hold the wand direction for 1 to 2 seconds until the enemy clears the area. This stabilizes the spell and prevents last-second drift. If the target begins to spin, pause, adjust wrist torque, and recenter your aim. Spinning means rotational energy was introduced. If Depulso fizzles, immediately assess stance, breath, and clarity of intent. Recovery is faster with calm. Make sure to reduce force if the environment is confined, and try again with a softer, cleaner flick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.